innovation is on solar water heating, or I can say hot water solution. In Africa, most of the time people have concentrated on the accessibility, and the quality of water. And there's a lot of research and there's a lot of projects that are being done in that area. But one thing people have forgotten is that once you get this water, if you can be able to heat it, then it will be able to solve a lot of problems. Especially because if the water is heated, it solves the quality problem. If the water is heated, it can be used for washing, it can be used for cooking, it can be used for bathing, it can be used for many other things, especially when we talk of boarding secondary schools or institutions in hotels and in many other places. So in my innovation, what I'm doing is that I'm using a biogas digester. And in this biogas digester, I'm using food left over, which also now handle the other problem of organic food waste management. So I'm taking food waste, which is actually being generated by the institution or the institutional kitchen, or if it's a hotel, then use the same food waste to be able to produce biogas to heat water. And now this water, once it's heated, then it can be able to help now in the areas that I've said. But there are two ways of doing this. You can either do it with a biogas digester alone, or you can do a hybrid, where you can also have still a solar water heater, which can be able to heat water between 60 and 70%, take the water, bring it to the biodigester, and now take it to 100%. And this project has been piloted. We piloted this project in Thun, and we realized that by using that system, we could be able to reduce electricity bill for heating water in the kitchen by 30%. So that's a proof of concept that this is something that can work. And so what we are looking for is how we can be able to make it portable. Because currently the system that we have installed is actually dug down. It's called a dome-shaped biodigester, which actually you put it on the ground. But now we are looking at a way where we can get an investor which with our design to be able to make it in such a way that is portable, and we can now take it to secondary boarding schools, or take it to hotels, or even take it to hospitals back in the rural areas.